And then next up, of course, iPhone sales. That is milestone number 14. iPhone sales in India crossed 10 billion US dollars mark, and there have been manufacturing units now iPhone has set up across the country.
Yeah, so iPhone production in India, separate pointer, and iPhone sales in India, separate pointer. So ladies and gentlemen, Indians have bought $10 billion worth of Apple products. Okay, so we have contributed $10 billion to the top line of Apple Incorporated from this country. That is a figure that puts perspective, because this is not a livelihood product, this is not a brass tacks product, this is not food and water product, this is a prestige, it's a high tech, many would say even a luxury products at some of the price points, but people are buying it and we are contributing to the largest company in the world in this. And of course the good news is some of these are being made here.
Okay, Sharad, Amazon deciding to ensure that it is going to increase exports from India. We take a look at iPhone sales. What is this indicative of?
Well, it is clearly indicating of, China should be worried a lot, I must say, and the China +1 policy, or, the Chinese replacement concept is gradually catching pace. And I think we have two reasons to thank. One reason is Chinese meddling or CCPs meddling with the industry there, especially when you talk of iPhones. There was a lot of iPhone being manufactured there. And when this meddling happened, I think the large investments have started looking for alternate sources, and India comes as the next best alternate. Of course, there's Vietnam and a few other places who probably score at a similar level, but at a much smaller level. They can't match the Indian size. Exports happening from India, I think the Make in India concept launched by the government, that big lion with moving parts, was more on theory. There was a lot of criticism on the government earlier that this lion doesn't move, it's there in picture. But now that lion has started roaring. This device called mobile phone is a very sophisticated one. So we have that skill is required in India if you really want to manufacture. So on theory, we may be saying, why are they not getting it manufactured from India? But now that skill is catching up. The quality issues, I know some of the Foxconn, company executives, they told me that the skill earlier was missing, which means that the criticism on the Indian overall ecosystem of the workforce, that they are not as skilled. I think even that is now behind our back, because you need highly skilled people to be putting together this complicated device. So it is counting both ways. The Chinese, downfall of manufacturing, which is gradual happening, although we don't hear it on the media too often, but it's happening. Right. And of course, the Indian skill development, which is really caught up pace, and the Make in India initiative, which is caught up pace.
Absolutely.